This is the entrance to the Long Key Nature Center in western Broward County, which is the most unique, probably the most unique nature center and one of the newest in South Florida. I shouldn't say the most unique. There's some very, very unique ones here in Broward and also in Palm Beach and a few in Miami-Dade, but certainly one of the newest ones. And I don't think there's another one quite like this. So this is a restored or preserved, and it's partly preserved because there was an amusement park on the site in the 1940s, 1950s, 1960s called Pioneer City. There was also a very famous restaurant called the Kapok restaurant, which was a watering hole for some of the most prominent local leaders, politicians, etc. And we're in the flight path to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, so you'll hear planes going overhead. And there's now a museum here that we're going to enter in a minute. But this is a preserved oak hammock where the Tequesta Indians, Tequesta Native Americans, and then Seminole Native Americans resided. It's an island in the Everglades, basically. Now, it's less of an island, obviously, because of human development, but was an island, an elevated oak hammock surrounded by the river of grass. And it's still surrounded by water on a couple sides. So it is really, really quite unique. And there is a museum inside that we'll visit in another video. Thanks for watching.